he's not built for eating fries.
Yeah, what's he doing with it?
He's trying to get in his mouth. His goofy ass beak's in his way. I wonder if it's like a mutation. I wonder if he's a crow and he just... Look at that goofy thing. He's gonna go hide it and come back to the other beak. What?
Where's he going? You know, he walks like Big Bird. Remember how Big Bird walked?
No.
Where are you going with the fry? Is he putting it in the garbage?
He's gonna go hide it. I'm telling you. Just hit it. He's gonna walk around, and then he's gonna come back here, get the other piece, and hide that one.
Really?